people out there, it's me again. So in today's video we're going to be doing a huge Marshall's haul. So it's been a while since I've been to Marshall's. The last time I went was back at home to get some things for baby boy. But y'all, I love Marshall's. So back at home, I used to go to TJ Maxx, Home Goods. You know, they're all in the same company. So I think because I was near a TJ Maxx, I always went there. But then if I didn't find something at TJ Maxx, I would go to Marshall's. So I was driving past one and I was just like, oh my God, let me stop by Marshall's just to see what they have. And y'all, oh my gosh, I splurged, I racked up, and I was like, I've been buying things here and there as far as like shopping goes, but not anything like in big bulks because I don't know if it's just my postpartum body. I don't know what it is, but I'm just not into certain styles anymore. Like crop tops, that's out of question because I just feel like my belly doesn't look right in them, and I just don't like showing a lot of skin. But I don't have like a banging body to be showing a whole bunch of skin as is, but I just don't like the crop tops, and you know, my postpartum body is not how I want it to be just yet. So it's just certain things that I just will not wear because it's just, to me, I just feel like it won't be appealing to wear. So that's why on Instagram I mentioned to you guys that I want to start doing postpartum fashion because I like to showcase things that fit moms' bodies after having a baby. My body's not where it used to be, my belly's not what it used to be, but that should not stop me from looking good and also feeling good with the stuff that I'm wearing. I just want to showcase a few things that I saw at Marshall's that I love and will fit good on my body, and hopefully this will inspire you to do the same, whether it's at Marshall's or Forever 21, wherever. So if your body is not what it used to be or where it used to be after having a baby, so be it. You birthed a blessing, and that's what matters in the end of the day. So without any further ado, let's get it. So y'all gonna hear baby boy in the background because he likes to be near me when I'm recording. So a few things that I picked up, I'll just show you like the stuff, like actual stuff I picked up. So I found this hair turban, and it's just simply to just dry your hair. As you know, I have short hair now, so it's just easy for me to just, you know, wet my hair after, you know, I take a shower and then dry it off. Say hi, Tristan. so I saw this and I was like, oh, this is so cute. And when I do my self-care Saturdays, I can wear that around the house and just, you know, go about my merry way. So this is exfoliating foot mask. So I love to do my own pedicures. Even though I get my nails done, I love doing my own pedicures. I have a pedicure machine at home, so to save $30, $40, I just prefer to do my own, just to have something that can exfoliate my crusty feet. I'm all for it. So when I saw these, I was like, oh yeah. So it has 3 in the pack. When I do my self-care Saturdays, this gonna be on my feet and that's gonna be in my head, okay? Also found this cup. It says count your blessings because you guys know when I do my convos with Chris, I love to sip on my Minute Maid. So I found another cup, and I love cups that have meaning to it. So this one says count your blessings. Also found I don't know why I picked these up, but I guess I just had a peanut butter craving because I love peanut butter. So this is the Keiko Therapy milk chocolate cups. So it's made out of real peanut butter, and it's actually for vegans. It's actually for vegans, but you know, I ain't vegan at all. So I was just like, okay, well, let me try it since I'm on like this healthy journey, and it doesn't contain a lot of sugar. It contains 12 grams of sugar. So I was like, okay, well, that's not a lot of sugar compared to Reese's, which has like over 40 grams of sugar. So I figured I'll try it and see how it is. So now for the haul. Woo! Okay, so I found this here sweater, and I'm gonna do a try on after each one. So I found this sweater here. I just love this color, y'all, and look at this. Oh, I just love that style in the back, y'all. I've been looking for a tie in the back sweater for a long time, and I just love it. Like I love it. I just love how it looks. Even though it's been warm here lately, I don't care. I was sweating this thing because it is cute, okay? And I love that it's not too tight because y'all know, like I said, my pudge, yeah, nah. Also saw this shirt. So this is like a business type shirt. Like, to me, it's like a business casual shirt. So I saw this and I was like, oh, this is cute. So it's like it's not a see-through blouse, but I'll probably have to wear like a cami underneath just for security. It's been a while since I've done a haul, but I mentioned in my last one I love jumpsuits. So I found some jumpsuits that are cute that I feel are going to be good on my pudge, because with certain jumpsuits, you know, they're like tight around the waist area. So I was just like, well, you know, hopefully it'll fit around my little push for the time being. But I saw this one here. These guys can see. When I saw this, I was like, oh my god, this is like a comfy looking jumpsuit. Like, the material is really light and I could wear this in a warm weather. And then also another thing with me breastfeeding, I like finding jumpsuits or shirts that have a split open, because I know they have like different maternity, not maternity, but postpartum shirts where you can like zip under or zip open to breastfeed. So I've seen some on Instagram, I just haven't had a chance to order it. So when I find them in stores or find shirts in stores, I just get shirts that open like that, so I could just whip out the nip and, you know, put him on. So when I saw that, I was like, oh yeah, that's a plus. So I really love this. And I also got this gray shirt. I think I might have to return this because it's a small, and this was in the junior section. I didn't even realize I was in the juniors area. I didn't realize I was even in the juniors area until I was like, this look a little too small. But it was only $6, so I was like, what the heck. I like it because it has like the little piece right here, and then it has a little tie in the front. So I really like that. So I found another jumpsuit. I don't know if they're by the same brand. Oh, it's by the same brand. But I found this color and I just love that. I was like, oh, that's so cute, honey. And it has a split right here as well. So like I said, when I am, you know, wearing this, whatever, just boom, and then he is good to be nursed. So when I saw this, y'all, I was like, oh my gosh, I got to have it. Gotta have it. So I love, what's this? I forgot what the kind of material it's called. It's gingham, I don't know, it's something, but it's that type of material. And I was like, oh honey, and it ties right here in the front, and then it comes like to your knees. So I really love this. When I saw this, I was like, give it to me, baby. And when I saw this one here, I was like, oh my gosh, like I love polka dots. Like polka dots are my style. Like I love polka dots. So when I saw this polka dot jumpsuit, I was like, ah! Oh girl, yes. So yeah, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. You had to have it. And I love how it's open in the back too, y'all. Like I just, when it gets like really hot, man, that's gonna keep me cool. So yes. I saw this, I was like, this is like a nice business casual type of jumpsuit. So I really like it. I really like it. It has pockets. It has pockets, and then it also ties in the front as well. So yeah, when I saw this, I was like, oh my gosh, that looks really good. Also found this polka dot shirt. Like y'all, I love polka dots. Oh my gosh. So I saw this and I was like, oh, that is so cute. When I saw it, I thought it was a turtleneck, but it's not a turtleneck. It's just something around the neck. And then it has like a little tie right here. There's like a tie right here. So I really love it. I think I put back like 6 things because I was like, yo, I'm like way over my budget. I guess I just wasn't expecting to find so many things. Like I knew I was gonna find something, but I just wasn't expecting to find so many good things. So I was like, yo, like Marshall's is like my spot. I'll still be going to Ross, I'll still be going to TJ Maxx, I'll still be going to my other stores and everything, but Marshall's, boo. Y'all did that, okay? So I just love everything that I have. So if y'all see me on Instagram with it, y'all know where I got it from. Y'all know where I got it from. So I hope you guys enjoy this haul. I plan on doing more hauls. I'll try to order some things like from Amazon. So like I said, I just want to find clothing that fit postpartum bodies, because everybody's not snatched as soon as they have a baby. You know, I'm 10 months postpartum and my belly is still nowhere near where it used to be, and it's probably not going to get where it used to be, and I'm okay with that. But that should not stop me from looking fabulous and feeling good, looking good within the skin that I'm in. So that's why I love finding clothing items that fit my body, that fit around my belly, and that I look good in. So hopefully this will inspire you guys as well. And like I said, I'll try to find others as well. I'll try to find stuff that can be, you know, I'll try to find things that can be for any size, small, medium, large, extra large, plus size, or whatnot, because I want to see everybody, especially those who have the baby, look good, feel good, and live good, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Let me know down below any questions, comments, and concerns, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!